Hey guys, Chris here with the Keyless Shop at beautiful Montgomery Mall in Bethesda, Maryland. Today I wanted to talk about the Tesla Model 3 key fob and how to use it. So the Model 3 comes with a smart key, which is this little key right here. Looks just like the car. One of the features is you just walk up to the car and it'll unlock it automatically. Door handles come out, rear view mirrors open up, and you can get in the car. The other thing you can do is you can press the actual door handle and it'll open as well. Just press it like that and it'll open up and you can get in. Now to open the front of the car, all you gotta do is press the front of the key twice and you can pop open the frunk. Now, when you close it, what you're gonna do, it's a little different from a normal car. You're gonna close it, and then you're just gonna press while it clicks. Okay, no need to slam it down. Then in the hatchback, you're gonna press the hatchback twice, and it pops open. This is a 2014 Model S that came with the rear child seats. They no longer do this, which was a cool feature. You can also close it from the key as well. Just press it twice and it'll close. Now if you want to open it, you can also press the top of the car once, and then you'll lock it, press it twice, and you'll open it. And that's how you use your key fob on your Tesla Model S. Thanks for watching.